This is Gary Wales. This is Sunday the 11th. I'm out here sitting on my Bestioni number 8, the Beast of Turin. Our salute to it. We've been on this thing for 2 years. 2 years. One good year and one COVID year like everybody else. So anyway, it's done. I'm having a celebratory drink. That's a little Johnny Walker Black Label. This is kind of a thing I do. And a friend, very good friend of mine, gave me a beautiful Cuban Cohibo. So I'm smoking that and I'm having a drink. And I just want to tell you that this is the wonderful day. Everything is done. Now all I have to do is polish it a little bit here and there. Well, polish it a lot because there's a lot to polish. Anyway, we're going to be taking it to many shows. My favorite of all places in the world is Carmel, California. Now I've been going there for so many years I can't even count. But we have a wonderful lady friend who said, Gary, you take my house, we're not going to be there. It's absolutely in Carmel. It is the most beautiful, wonderful home. And going to take her up on that, of course. And we're going to be on the avenue, if they have an avenue. We're on and the Quail. That's a good one. And maybe the McCormick thing. I think I'll sign up for McCormick to see if we can get on that too. Just want to do a whole big roundabout with everything with this one because it's been so long. And no, I'm not going to wear a mask if I can get by without it. Anyway, the car is done. The main thing we did and to finish it with is to put the number 8 on it. And the reason, the significance for that is number 8 happens to be the 8th Bestioni Andreas and I have done. And I'll tell you, it's very exciting. And this was a hell of a job on here. If you take a look around, a little walk and take a look at all this stuff. We're so excited. It's really been a hell of a time. I'm just so excited about this. And I know sometimes my cars are a little grotesque. They're odd, they're funny, they're way oversized. But you know what? If you smile when you see it, I won. That's exactly what I designed these things to do. And I want to thank you all for looking and checking in with us to see how we do these things. I hope that you're happy with that. And any suggestions, keep them nice. We'll be able to do them. But anyway, thank you very much. It's done.